guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Well, last weekend there apa tu Powerboat racing somewhere there lah. I don't want to mention where. So banyak, a lot of tragedies happen. So saya nak want to tell you guys also know. So upon seeing, melihat those people racing, guys, it's quite scary to see, okay, accident like that happen, because when the boat goes so fast and there's no brake, anything can happen. So playing this powerboat race is quite dangerous, but a lot of people still interested in playing this type of game. It's about hobby, kan? Hobby. It's quite a dangerous hobby because of things can happen without our knowledge, without our preparation. So they are quite lucky. Still nothing bad happened except for the boats. So I feel safety needs to be improved lah. As you can see in this video later on, there are power boats. They use this engine, outboard engine, modify outboard engines. They are very fast, and they are very minimal time for you to react when something like that happen. You just always believe that God always be behind you or beside you. There are many cases before. Those who are, siapa yang berminat dengan ini, harus berhati-hati lah, kita berjaga-jaga lah, supaya keselamatan tadi diutamakan. Mungkin yang terbang itu kan, tidak tahulah apa punca, kali dia orang sudah they are doing the postmortem, why the boat flips, why the boat can suddenly making U-turns. Possibilities that can be the cable break, or can be they are floating lot on the river. So, or the how do you call that one, the ski, or the rudder, or what do we call the thing on the engine that can twist the engine left and right. Maybe that, because usually they modify the fin so that they can reach more deeper into the water, can turn their power boats left and right. Might be the thing broken. So it's very dangerous, guys. But for us in this group, for us RC, so we quite safe to say we are using this remote control transmitter to run our boats, so it's not considered dangerous, except that you upon your crew. I always advise that after you start the engine, you need to get out from the pontoon. There are cases also the boat might turn back, so it can hit you. From what I know, they have one incident somewhere in Malaysia. The enthusiast was scared because the boat hit by the boat. So it also can happen, but the risk is minimal, not like these powerboats. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy watching. So jangan enjoy watching, always pray that this kind of hobby, powerboat racing, always make safety is the priority. Okay, when we define the fin, whatever the boat, always make safety priority. Always properly check the cables. To the organizer, I say you really need to have more rescue boat or more people clearing the load floating on the river. Okay, you need to go far where the river is coming, flowing, and clear the lock. You cannot just let the load floating and leave it to the driver to maneuver. So if they are not lucky, you can hit the load. It might damage the fin, and then that made the powerboat suddenly making a U-turn, and the other boat will come over and hit them. So it's very dangerous, guys. Please take care. And for those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And for those of you who have not, don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. And do share, guys. So hope everybody enjoy whatever hobby they have. But make sure always always make safety as a top priority. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.